Never top up R410A. R410A is a mixture of R32 plus R125 in the ratio 50%. It will cool effectively only if this proportion is maintained. Both these refrigerants have different densities. Density at 30 degrees centigrade. R32 equals 958 kilograms per cubic centimeter. R125 equals 1248 kilograms per cubic centimeter. R32 is lighter than R125. So in case of any leakage, more of R32 will escape. Therefore the proportion of the balance R410A in the AC is disturbed. So, even after topping up, the proportion will never be in the ratio 50%. This means that the AC will never cool properly. Therefore never top up. Minor leaks normally takes place from the shredder valve. So, after repairs, the whole refrigerant must be transferred into a recovery cylinder. Then carry out the vacuum up to 500 microns, and charge fresh R410A. Pressure testing. Use nitrogen gas along with a 2-stage nitrogen pressure regulator. Leak test pressure. Leak test pressure equals maximum operating pressure multiplied by 1.25. Below is the table showing the recommended nitrogen test pressure. Pressure testing setup with LOTO. Installation of window AC. 1. There should be no obstruction behind the AC. In case of any obstruction, the condenser discharge air will short cycle. This will result in high head pressure, and may cause tripping of the compressor. If there is any obstruction, it must be at least 2000 mm away. 2. The AC should slope backwards approximately 5 mm. This will prevent condensate water seepage. Installation of IDU of a split AC. The following are the recommended distances to be maintained. Installation of IDU of a split AC, continued. Use a spirit level to ensure the slope of the IDU mounting plate. Installation of ODU of a split AC. It is best that the condenser 1. Does not face direct sunlight. 2. Does not face strong winds. This will result in high head pressure, and may cause tripping.